Hello Peter, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2013 Acura MDX, which has around 88,000 kilometers on it, and we do sell this vehicle fully certified for 21,288 plus HST, and licensing. HST is 13% and licensing is just a fee to get your new plate or just transfer the plate. It has a clean car proof, no claims, no accidents. The vehicle looks and drives just perfect. It's been recently certified, and it's a silver on very light tan or kind of grayish in color. Super clean, as you see. The seats are perfect because it has a low mileage. Obviously, it's in absolutely decent shape. Here I'm gonna go through some power options it has. So power windows, memory seats, power locks, the power trunk. Can open it. It's a 7-seater. I totally forgot about this. The third row, some storage over here. It's been fully detailed as well, professionally detailed. The vehicle is ready to go. So let me show you again. So you can open and close the tailgate from your key. Go, that's the mileage, 88. Let me close the door. 88,476. That's the kilometers on it. When I buckle the seat belt, all lights are gone. So here's the radio, has a sunroof, has a heated seats as well, which is right here. The XM radio, has Bluetooth, of course, cruise control, lots of options. Tiptronic transmission, you can make it as a manual shifting with this. Headlight washers, traction control, the power mirrors, and auto-dimming mirror too. So if you have any question regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.